Hi everybody, welcome back. Okay, so I kind of messed up at the end of that last video. It's not up here that you want to change the name. Okay, so let's just keep this graph practice. Where you want to change the name is actually down here. And I can't see it because these tools are in the way. There we go. Okay, so here where it says chart 1, that's where you're going to say column chart. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so now we're going to go back here to sheet 1, and you'll see the stuff that you typed the last time. But now we're going to make a pie chart. So we're going to go A1 to A5, these to here, and we're going to copy it. All right, and then we're going to paste it by going to D1. So right here, we're going to say paste. How nice is that? We don't have to type it again. Okay, so we're also going to add one more column here, row, that's called other. And now we're going to enter the data. 25%, oops, percent, 40%, 15%, 5%, 10%, and other is 5%. I'm going to tell you something right now. As a scientist, it's annoying to me that they put the percentage in the column. It should be at the top as a header, but we're just going to go with the way that this is set up because it's set up like this for a reason. Okay, so let's go. It says to use the selection arrow, click into cell D1, right there, column D, row 1, D1 to E6. Hold your shift key down. There you go. It's highlighted. Then we go to chart. And we have our friend the pie chart again. So we're going to go to the customize button next. And we'll put a chart title on there by going down to chart and axis titles. Okay, and we're going to call that chart title, time on social media. Okay, then we're going to change it to 3D by clicking chart style. I'm going to close this. Chart style, and we'll make it 3D. Ooh. And then we're going to add a legend. Okay, by clicking legend, which is, where is legend? Well, this is interesting. Oh, it's down here. There it is. Click on legend. Okay, and then click position and go bottom. Okay, and there it is. How nice is that? All right, look at that. The labels are removed and it's got the legend at the bottom. I kind of like this. And then we're going to add data labels. So we will click pie chart, click slice label, and click value. Ooh, and now we have all the numbers on there. Okay, so now we go ahead and move the chart to its own page again. Move to own sheet. There it is, and if we look down here, we see chart number 2, and let's change the name, pie chart. And that's it. We're making these amazing graphs, and they're so easy. Great, I hope you're doing fine. Remember, if it's too fast, just pause me. Make me talk slowly.